But something as basic as a tree falling and power going out from yesterday morning. And I call up to date, no power. Is that Kenya powerlessness or Kenya power? Can they change their names officially? Kenya powerlessness and I don't know what. It's a joke. If there is a disconnection, Kenya powerlessness and disconnection and the darkness.
Very well.
Mr. Speaker, if there was one agency that was known for efficiency, it was Kenya Power. The one that used to give us nightmares was water. Are you competing with water to being ineffective, or are you trying to sabotage Honorable Wandai because he's an expert? Please reconnect. Basic, let us not even be talking about issues like transformers. This is just a tree that has fallen. Surely. You are joking.